Hi everyone, welcome to my very first YouTube video. I decided to start this because I simply love Japanese food. Simple as that, and all the different tricks that they have. And I hope to, throughout my videos, share a lot of that with you. So today I'll be talking about ginger. So 1, how to make ginger water. 2, what to do with the ginger after you make the ginger water. And 3, a simple Japanese dish using ginger. Hope you like it. What do we do with the leftover ginger? We simply put this into a jar and pour soy sauce in it, and you get soy sauce marinated ginger. Now let's put this ginger into this jar. This is the soy sauce I'll be using. You simply pour this into the jar, all the way to the top. Now you have soy sauce marinated ginger. Simply keep this into your fridge. Now I placed the topping into the fridge, and today we'll be using this sauce that I made last week because I usually like to wait at least a night. You can use it right away, but it's always better when the soy sauce is really soaked into that ginger. And also, by the way, it will never expire, so it's very convenient. There are 2 ways you can enjoy this sauce, one as a topping and one as a soy sauce alternative. Now, my favorite traditional Japanese side dish is called Hiyayakko, which is pretty much this tofu topped with the sauce that you made. There's different kind of tofu. There's firm, medium firm, soft. But for this particular dish, I prefer to use the soft kind. So let's do this. Next dish is everyone's favorite, fried rice. Today I will be showing you a method so that the rice isn't sticking to each other, so it's not mushy. Before we get cooking, let's go over to my neighbor's amazing garden to see if there's anything I can use. These are all the arugula, the Asian green. Apparently you can eat these flowers. Yum. So I'll take, this is very hearty. Here's kale. I think kale's good for fried rice. So maybe I'll take this one right here. To add variety, let's take a couple of these. Ah, Frosty! Okay. Oh, spinach. Let's get spinach. These are spinach. We're done over here. We'll go over to my garden, which is not as nice.
That's Rusty, the dog of the channel.
Some lettuce here. I know it's gonna grow bigger, but so these are arugula, some green onions. I don't have that many, but I'll use it for the video. Okay, so we're in our backyard now, and we're gonna use eggs for our fried rice. We have chicken in our backyard. Not the best of friends with Frosty, but this way. Let's see. Oh, we got two. Bubblegum is a Easter egg layer, so the eggs are green. Okay. There you go. Now, picked out the greens from the garden. This is from the store, but red pepper to add color, and sausage, but you can use any kind of sausage. I like the small ones. You can use ham as an alternative or keep it with just all vegetables, but I always like to add color. So go ahead and cut up all the vegetables. Now I'm gonna cut the sausage. If you're using a sausage, you wanna cut everything in halves. We're gonna dice this, and we're gonna cut this in a different way. That's it for today. Thank you guys for watching. Please make sure to put in your comment how you thought about this video, and don't forget to subscribe, and see you again soon.